Good afternoon. This is Todd Horwitz coming from the floor of the CME Group in Chicago, and today we're looking at the euro currency as we continue to track our 122 top level. Something interesting we're now starting to see is that the euro and the pound are now coming closer to parity. Now again, I don't believe that to be the right relationship, and obviously this is the closest it's been in quite a while. I think what we're seeing here is an opportunity to sell. We take a look at this week, we've got the ECB meeting, and I'm certainly they're thinking that the euro is well too high here in relationship to the dollar as the dollar continues to get pounded. So I think we're going to see an opportunity to sell here. And I think we want to sell basically. When you're looking at these markets, yes, there's a little bit of room to the possible upside, but I think there's a dramatic amount of room to the downside. And if the ECB does what everybody else does and they start to try to manipulate these currencies, they're going to look to have these start to sell off, and they're going to probably make some adjustments to help that happen. And that because of course they're concerned about their own GDP there. So at the end of the day, it looks like we've reached the tops. It looks like there may be like a small room to the upside, but again, we've got more risk by being long or owning than we do by being short here. And that's what we want to look for, is the opportunity to sell these rallies, and we will sell any rally, especially if we do happen to make it to 122. I don't believe that we'll make it that far, but that would be our highest point where we think we'd get to. So we want to be sellers here and look for dramatically lower prices. I think the first target we'll look for will be 117 and then probably 115. But I think we're on our way back to probably 105 before this is all said and done. And that will take some time. But that's what we're looking for, and that's the way I see it. This is Todd Horwitz, coming from the floor of the CME Group in Chicago.